Hi, my name is PINAR LFW, International Art Director at Tony & Guy and Label M. We've worked 2 looks on the long hair model this year for the campaign. The first look is concentrating on trends that we're seeing coming through for the next season. So working with height at the crown with a little bit more of a casual texture to it, but still maintaining a feminine and a pretty look. And the second look is a little bit stronger, more of an 80s influence, which is a little bit quiffed up through the top area and styled away from the face. To prepare the hair for the look, protein spray, which will even out the porosity of the hair. The second product we used was the sleek blowout cream, just applying this sparingly through the ends of the hair. So this will keep the elasticity and will also keep a smoothness. And then to create the texture for both looks, we use the sea salt spray, applying section by section on wet hair. So you start power drying the hair with a nozzle on the hairdryer so you keep the surface smooth, and just using your hands to begin with to move the hair around in all different directions. Once the hair is around 80% dry, you can use a round brush to smooth out the hairline around the front of the face, and then once again applied sea salt spray to dry hair. The benefits applying the sea salt spray to dry hair is to build up a lot more texture and a lot more dryness, which makes the hair a lot more manageable. So to finish the look off, to maintain the matte effect throughout the look, we use the resurrection dust. You can use it quite sparingly, but you can also use quite a lot of it depending on how much hold and texture you want to achieve. So to hold the look together and give the look longevity, we've used Label M hairspray. We can use the hairspray quite sparingly just to assist us on a little bit more hold, and particularly around the crown area, which is the key area or the focal point of the look where we need to maintain that height. So as an alternative look to give the hair a whole different image, we've styled the hair away from the face, taking on a little bit more of an 80s feeling. We started to add a little bit more movement and a little bit more smoothness to the hair, and we tongued the hair to give us a subtle wave. We brushed this through, backcombing from the crown right up to the front hairline, and brought the hair back away from the face. To finish off the look, Miracle Fibre is fantastic because it's actually developed by the art team mixing souffle and resurrection dust together. So it had the smoothness of a souffle but the hold of the resurrection dust. This is fantastic to work on mid-length hair and long hair, all different hair textures, to create a really nice hold. The end results that you can achieve from Label M in the salon or from a shoot point of view are endless, and we're always finding new ways of using the product to develop fresher textures.